Hello guys, me Hannah. Here's my brother, the YouTuber. If you see shine on my lips, I'm not wearing lipstick.
It's lip gloss.
It's lip gloss. And I found the big one so you can see it. And it kind of mixed with lipstick. So, let's get busy. Yep. 10 minutes later. Okay, guys, I read the comments and it says, when do you show your puppy? No. Yay. I keep having a shine. Okay. Goodbye. Bye, Goopy. Bye.